this is. Zero martial training. Okay, so now we're going to look at some drills we can do to help practice putting these Wing Chun ideas into your body. All right, so back to here. So it's a good way, just as you're first getting into it, is to start with the feet together, rotate through the heels, rotating the balls of the foot, create that triangle, sit in the heels. All right, so from here, without adding any hands or anything, just keep it simple, focus on the feet. We need to have our pistols here, right? So we always want to be pointing towards our target, all right? So right now my target is the camera, all right? So we're rotating through here. So I'm not moving my whole body, right? I'm just right here. Keep this straight and just rotate through. You can think this as like window wipers, all right? So at first it'll feel weird. You might look down at your feet and you're actually doing this, all right? So focus, all right? So when you turn, knee, knee, and it just opens. So from here, we can go all the way to that 180, or that 90, I guess, all right? So when we go here, we can sit here. When we're here, we want to be able to lift. We can do a kick if we want, but this is helping us find that balance, that 100% here, all right? So we have our little shooters here, turn all the way over, do our check, balance check, all the way over, balance check. So you can see my knee is turning until this one's forced to break open, all right? And if we go too fast at first, you might end up falling over. So just nice, smooth, focused, sit, lift, check that balance. Turn, sit, check that balance, all right? So from here, we're now going to be able to add movement. All right, so from a straight look, so if I'm in this sitting horse, all right, I want to be pointing forward. So in Wing Chun, our hips are always facing forward so that both of our hands are equally used. All right, so when we move forward, like I said before, that rear wheel drive, we push. So push, sit, check for balance. Push, sit, check for balance. Now we can go backwards. Generally Wing Chun, we don't like to go straight back, all right? Because you cannot move as fast backwards as somebody can move forwards. So generally we want to go offline. But just to practice understanding that when we go backwards, we push off this, we go back, sit, check. Push, sit, check. All right? So now we can go a little more advanced with that one. All right. So from the side, all right, so now this is more advanced stepping. All right. And again, punching would be added later. So we go like this, we step, sit, off on a 45, switch, sit. All right. So from the front, it will look like this. You step, sit, offline, switch over, back online. All right. So you can be doing this back and forth. All right. If you don't have enough space, if you have enough space, you can do 10, 12, 20 times, turn around, do it again. So we're always wanting to create balance as well within our body. So when we do, if we do 2 of one side, we do 2 of the other side. Create balance, create more coordination with your body. All right. So if I'm pushing forward, 1, step off, 2. I'd go again, blah, 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 until I'm in this position so I can show you the turn. So I'd turn back here. Step, off, go. Step, off, go, turn. All right. You can do the less advanced version. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, turn. And again, as you're doing this, you can also be checking for balance every step of the way. So the next one here, which we went into a little bit earlier, is, it's called triangle stepping, all right? So, again, if you're just starting, open up like this, all right? So, our opponent's right in front of us. You know, let's say he's about right here, all right? So we're dealing with him, his attack comes, step off line. Now he's coming past, as he comes back, I step in, all right? So now I'm here. So the drill then goes back to that corner of the triangle, send back into the triangle, and if you want, you can even tape a triangle that you can follow, all right? Push to the side, face your opponent, attack the opponent. Push away from the opponent, back to center of triangle, off to the side again. This will help create more fluidity in your movements and a more understanding of why you're sitting in your heels. We can turn, we can attack directly, we can face another opponent, we can attack that opponent, turn around, we can do a more advancing step. All right, this is more advancing because it creates more space covered in a quick time. So this is the basics, understanding of the Wing Chun stepping. It's quite simple. It's very powerful. Again, it's designed for close quarters combat, not for reaching out like you see in like a MMA fight or something. That's more where we then get back into the boxing stuff.